Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to take out the roller brush on the Narwal Freo X Plus robot vacuum and mop. So the first thing we're going to do is flip our robot around on its back, and here we have the roller brush, this module right here, and we're going to take it out by just squeezing these two purple parts with each other like that and just pulling it out. So this panel comes off, and now we can take our roller brush out like this and just do whatever we want with it, like clean it, and if you want to put it back in, you just do the same thing by aligning it with the with this part right here, and it should look like this. And now we're going to once again squeeze these two little parts right here and place it with the lower part first, and then sticking in the top part. And now it's secure and it's not going anywhere. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.